Alright, I just cleaned out my burn pot, and I want to show a little method I do. I throw some wood chips in chunks right there in the burn pot, and then on the Grill OG, I have the deflector or the grease pan or whatever you want to call it, and I throw some fat wood chunks right there. There's like a little platform, and I throw it in there, and it gives me really good flavor. So something to think about. You know, I know a lot of us use smoke tubes when we would desire a little bit more smoke flavor, but this is a method I've been doing for a couple of years and it works great. So thought I'd share that with you guys and get this put back together and fired up.